Today, we're going to be relipping my Vienna Courages. I have the lips coming in today. They're going to be going from a 3-inch lip to an 8-inch lip. These are going to be my rears. I'm going to be taking off the sealant. I have lips arriving in a couple hours, and then I have the sealant arriving tomorrow. So this is going to be a multi-day process. Right now, we're going to start by taking off the faces. Once we have the faces off, we can take off the barrel. Once we have the barrel off, I'll be able to show you how to be able to get rid of all the old sealant and apply the new sealant. So the lips did come in. Also, this is the back hardware for some of it. The bolts are fine. These nuts, I'm going to get replacements. We're going to get 38 new nuts because some of them are rusted like this. And then I'm also going to get the tool for whatever pattern this is. I don't exactly know. It looks like a 16 star or 16 teeth one. So we're going to go get the correct hardware or the correct thing to use for this, and then brand new hardware for the back. As to not damage my wheels, I'll be putting down a towel and or a blanket to be able to get this all fixed and dealt with. And then we're going to be laying our wheel onto here. Also, as to not to scratch it, I'll be taking my brand new T40 bit, and we are going to be putting tape around it just so that it does not scratch the barrel when I'm using this. Okay, so this is where we're at. This one, I'm ready to remove the face of. Once I remove these tiny little screws right here, we'll be ready to remove the entirety of the face and then start mounting the new lip. It's going to be a bit ridiculous. Okay, so this is the back of the wheel. Officially, I've torqued down all the hardware except for 3 bolts. And then we're going to finish up those, and then I'm going to flip it. Don't worry, there is saran wrap or like this plexi film so that the bottom of the barrel is not getting scratched. All I got to do is add a little bit of sealant around the edges and then mount a tire, and then we're good to go. This is one of the rear wheels. I have another one to do. I did the measurement to figure out how wide this barrel is. This is a 14-inch wide rim, and the ones that I'm running on the front are going to be 9.5 inches. So over a 4.5-inch difference on the rears. That is extreme. We're going to about to reseal these right here, and then I'm going to order some wheels and tires to be able to fill up this. Okay, so what we're going to do now is lay the bead of rubber sealant that goes down the middle. This is what I'm going to be using. It's what they recommend, 732 multi-purpose sealant. What you're going to do is you're going to tape out either side of this, about 1/2 inch on either side, all the way down, and then you're going to lay a bead, rub your finger along the top of it in a plastic glove, and then you'll get a nice form seal. This is a 355/30/19. Oh my god, this is an absolutely insanely wide tire. My last rears were 295. This is 60 millimeters wider. It is insane. If you guys don't know, personally, I prefer Continental tires. I mean, shit, if another tire brand wants to sponsor me, let me know. But I have Continental Extreme, Contact Sport Plus Technology. Extreme Contact, tubeless. This is an outer, a 355/30/19, and I can also see the year in which these were produced. So yeah, these were made in 2021. Holy fuck, is this a wide tire. I'm going to now show you the rim in which I'm putting on this wide tire. You get to see that it will fit. This is my custom made 3-piece Vienna Courages. These, I have redone everything except for the rubber seal right here. I also need to redo. But everything about this rim, I custom did. These are going to be the rears. I put 8-inch barrels instead of 3-inch barrels. And as you can see, it's going to perfectly fit. This is going to be the most insane tire setup I will ever run on a car. And in case you guys underestimate how big a 355 is, I can't even cover half of this tire. It's going to be absolutely ridiculous. Now I just got to get these mounted on these. Wait.